Hello, right, today we're going to be doing these McCartney mozzarella burgers with some wedges in the air fryer. Now, I've done these wedges before, but I thought I'll just do them again quickly, because I always thought, well, how am I going to make that into wedges evenly? And this is the best way I found to do it. So I'll show you this, I'll do this now. So I found if you just cut it in half, sorry for anybody that knows how to do this, but I thought I'd just do it quickly. Then I just go in half again, that way, then in half again, that way, and then crossways, just like you're cutting a cake, and then crossways that way. And then as you can see, wedge shapes. That's the easiest way I found doing it. Any that are a bit thick, like that one, just run the knife down it just to thin it out a bit. So there you go. I'll do this one again. So across the middle, turn it, across again, this way, and that way. And there you go, there's your wedges. As I say, any that are a bit thick, maybe like that one. That's okay, it's not too bad, they're not too bad. Okay, that one's a little bit thick, so I'll just cut that one in half. Okay, there you go. Right, what I'm going to do, normally if you've done these before and I put a little bit of oil with them, now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get too much oil with cooking the burgers. So I'm going to put these in as they are now, put them in for about 5 minutes, then I'll add the burgers and spread it all out in the air fryer. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute once I've got these in the air fryer. Okay, so there's the wedges in the air fryer. Okay, there's not many there, I know, but if you're having them as an accompaniment, like if you're going to make a burger and have it with a side salad or a bit of pasta or something, or beans or whatever you want, then there might be enough there. So let's get them into the air fryer, and we go to air fry. Now that's set at 200. Don't want to burn too much, so I've taken it down to 190, and what I'm going to do is, as I say, put these in for about 5 minutes and then add the burgers. Okay, see you in 5. Okay, right, let's have a look at these. They're making a bit of a start. Might put them in just for a little bit longer, I think, and then add the burgers, maybe another 2 or 3 minutes. Actually, I might take that up to 200, give it a bit of heat. Now the lowest this one will go, this air fryer, is 5 minutes. It seems to be like a default setting. I can't do it for any less than that. So I'll just keep an eye on it, maybe wait till that gets to say about 2.5, and then I'll check them again, and then hopefully add the burgers. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, they get in there. Very nice. Right, I'm going to add the burgers and then put them back in again for about 10 minutes. Okay, there we go. So there's your 2 burgers, wedges around the edge. So I'm going to start these off and put them in for about 10 minutes and see how we get on. I'm going to keep it on 200, I think. Oh, no, that's still carrying on from where we left off. Let's cancel that down. Go back to air fry, 200, take it down to 10. Okay, these burgers are looking quite good at the minute, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get them out and flip them over, and then carry on this timing. So, right, let me get them out. So, oh yeah, they're looking pretty good. Oh. Okay, right, there we go. Well, they look pretty well done to me. So that is the wedges in just for about what do I put them in for? About 8 minutes. And then the burger's in for say 10. So yeah, 18 minutes or so, you've got yourself a meal. So you can have that with an accompaniment of say some beans if you want to, put the burgers in a bun, have it with a side salad. So yeah, they're looking pretty good. Just have a quick, yeah, done all the way through. Lovely, enjoy.